Hello, hello students. We will draw the construction techniques studio practical 1 of drawing the staircase. So let's start with the practical. Imagine that this is the floor line. This is the floor line, horizontal. Now we will draw the first step. So this is the vertical line in 90 degrees to this floor line. It will be called as riser, and the horizontal line on which we keep our foot or the step is called as tread. So horizontal portion is called as tread. In this way we draw the first step. In the same sequence, try to draw the rest of the steps. So this is step number 2 and this is step number 3. So this is what we draw the steps. Now considering the riser dimension, the riser for public building is 150 mm and the tread is 300 mm for the public buildings. In the same way, for residential purpose, the riser is adjusted from 150 to around 175 mm and tread is also adjusted from or can be taken from 250 mm to 300 mm as per the design. Now in this way we draw the steps. Now join these points of the steps. This will give us the angle of the staircase. Considering that the staircase is made out of RCC, the thickness of the slab will be seen in the section. So RCC slab thickness will be added at the bottom. So this dimension will be 110 mm, that is the thickness of the slab. Now we will draw the post. Post is the vertical support at the end of the staircase. So this is the navel post. The vertical portion post will be called as navel post, and the height of the navel post will be around 0.9 to 1 meters from the floor level. Draw the same navel post at the end of the steps also. In this way we draw the navel post. Now join these two lines top of the post. This will be called as handrail. So considering the material of the handrail may be of any steel pipe of size 50 mm, so we will draw the thickness of the handrail. Now at the end of the steps will be called as landing. This handrail will have the support of the post, but it is not sufficient, and this space is also open and it may lead in falling any object from that staircase. To safeguard that, balusters are added at the every step so as to safeguard the climber. Now these are called as balusters, and this total assembly will be called as railing. So railing is comprising of handrail, balusters and post. The bottom portion of the staircase will be called as soffit, and the portion when there is a tread, there must be some material on that tread, and the portion which is coming out of the riser of the tread will be called as nosing. This is the decorative part of the staircase, and in wooden staircases the nosing is supported by the scotia. Scotia is a small member which is supporting the nosing. So this is what all about the staircases. Here we are climbing the staircase from level plus minus 0 0, that is the floor level, plus 150 mm plus 150 mm plus 150 mm. So we are reaching plus point plus 450 at the top of the landing, 450 mm. So with this we end the practical. Thank you.